Pauli exclusion principle, and why no two electrons have the same set of all four quantum numbers. What is Pauli exclusion principle? Well, it states that each orbital can accommodate only two electrons with opposite spin. For example, consider sodium and we know that its atomic number is 11. According to Aufbau principle, 1s can accommodate 2 electrons, 2s can accommodate 2 electrons, 2p can accommodate 6 electrons, 1 electron is left behind and it is accommodated by 3s. We know that 1s has 1 orbital, 2s has also 1 orbital, 2p has 3 orbitals and 3s has also 1 orbital. Now according to Pauli exclusion principle, the orbital of 1s and 2s can accommodate 2 electrons with opposite spin. There are 6 electrons in the 2p subshell. According to Hertz's rule, firstly, only 1 electron is placed in each orbital having same spin and then they are doubly filled with electrons having opposite spin. And the last electron is placed in the orbital of 3s. Here, let me quickly revise the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is denoted by ms. Remember that if an electron moves in upward direction, its spin quantum number ms is always equal to positive 1/2. If an electron moves in downward direction, its spin quantum number ms is always equal to negative 1/2. Now let me take 1s orbital. We know that there are 2 electrons present in it with opposite spin. I mean, 1 electron is present in upward direction and another electron is present in downward direction. So the spin quantum number ms of this electron is equal to positive 1/2. And the spin quantum number of this electron is equal to negative 1/2. Now listen carefully. These 2 electrons belong to the same orbital, I mean 1s orbital. But these 2 electrons have different spin quantum numbers within the same orbital. Thus, to conclude this, we say that no 2 electrons in an atom have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Let me repeat it. No 2 electrons in an atom have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Therefore, remember that Pauli Baba states 2 important principles. Firstly, it states that each orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons with opposite spin. Secondly, it states that no 2 electrons have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Now let me teach you that why no 2 electrons have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Well, consider oxygen and its atomic number is 8. In the case of 8 electrons of oxygen, 1s can accommodate 2 electrons, 2s can accommodate 2 electrons, and 2p can accommodate 4 electrons of oxygen. We know that 1s and 2s have 1 orbital, 2p has 3 orbitals as 2px, 2py and 2pz. 2 electrons in 1s orbital with opposite spin, 2 electrons in 2s orbital with opposite spin, 1 electron in 2px, 1 electron in 2py and 1 electron in 2pz. 1 electron is left behind. You can place it in either orbital, but I place it in 2px. This is the electronic configuration of oxygen and its orbitals. Remember that according to Hertz's rule, you can even start filling 2p orbitals in downward direction, but all singly filled orbitals must have the same downward direction. Now let me take the 2 electrons of 2px. We know that in this orbital, there is 1 electron in upward direction and 1 electron in downward direction. I am going to find the 4 quantum numbers of this upward electron and 4 quantum numbers of this downward electron. If you do not know how to find 4 quantum numbers easily, watch our lecture and its link is given in the description. Now always write SPDF and 0123 at one side of the page. Here n is equal to 2. For p, L is equal to 1. When L is equal to 1, go from positive 1 to negative 1, negative 1, 0, 1. So there are 3 orbitals of L, x, y, z. This electron is in the x orbital, so its magnetic quantum number is equal to negative 1. The direction of this electron is upward, so its spin quantum number ms is equal to positive 1/2. In case of this electron, n is equal to 2. For p, L is equal to 1. Go from -1 to +1, -1, 0, 1. So there are 3 orbitals of L, x, y, z. This electron is in the x orbital, so ml is equal to -1. The direction of this electron is downward, so its ms is equal to -1/2. Now check the similarity between 4 quantum numbers of these two electrons. Let this is set P and this is set Q. N is equal to 2, N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 1, ML is equal to -1, ML is equal to -1, but MS is equal to +1/2 and MS is equal to -1/2. These 3 quantum numbers for both the electrons are the same, but the 4th quantum number, I mean spin quantum number, is not the same. Therefore, we say that the 2 electrons and 2px have not the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Hence, it is the proof of Pauli exclusion principle. Lastly, let me quickly give you one another example. Let me take the upward electron of 2s and let me take the upward electron of 2py. I am interested to find the 4 quantum numbers of these 2 electrons and different orbitals. In case of 2s, n is equal to 2. For s, L is equal to 0. Go from +0 to -0. As we know that there is no +0 and -0, hence L has one orbital, 0, and place the electron n8. So ml is equal to 0. This electron is in the upward direction, so ms is equal to +1/2. In case of 2py, n is equal to 2. For p, L is equal to 1. Go from +1 to -1, -1, 0, 1. So L has 3 orbitals x, y, z, and this electron is present in y orbital. So ml is equal to 0. We know that this electron is present in upward direction, so ms is equal to +1/2. Let I call this as set P and I call this as set Q. Now check the similarities between these two sets. N is equal to 2, N is equal to 2, but L is equal to 0 and L is equal to 1. ML is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0. MS is equal to +1/2 and MS is equal to +1/2. Here, these 2 electrons have different values of azimuthal quantum number L. Therefore, we say that these electrons in 2s and 2py have not the same set of 4 quantum numbers. It is the another proof of Pauli exclusion principle. I hope that you have